is display of all of his keepsakes that he's kept through the years. He's got his flying helmet, his scarf that he used flying.
Put on there, I've added to it. So you can tell it's something that I have done. Song called Heroes. Heroes under the gun, fighting for justice for everyone, and we follow wherever they go. Heroes, so good to know, so hard to find, sad when they go like a shadow on the high road. Heroes, standing up tall, taking their chances, risking it all so that you know there'll always be heroes. Heroes, tried and true, living for others, ready to do it tomorrow, like it was the last show. Heroes, larger than life, up in the sky, both day and night to defend us. What great debt we owe. Heroes, right from the start, give you their love straight from their heart, so that you know they'll always be heroes. Heroes, ever on track, never give up, never look back, never lay low. They never grow old. Heroes, facing the fight, calling for courage, trying to do right when the storm blows and the light goes. Heroes, put to the test, keeping a promise, doing their best so that you know there'll always be heroes.
I haven't had a chance to meet.
And before we dismiss today, Mayor Shockley could not be here today. He's in China with a proclamation from the city. It says, whereas on behalf of our community, we wish to record our deep sorrow over the passing of Lieutenant Colonel Dan from the late 1930s, retiring in 1971. And whereas Lieutenant Colonel Dan L. Shaw's life was dedicated to his family in the Vietnam War. Whereas our community is grateful for his many years of service protecting the people, not only in this community, but the entire country as well. Now, we hereby express our deep appreciation for his many years of service and extend to his family our sincere sympathy upon his passing. Jeff W.
course, will you present this flag to you to honor your father's faithful service to our nation? Your father was a hero. Thank you.